Shamar Crossfield here. Welcome back to the channel. I just woke up. You guys ever have that feeling like when you wake up and you really and truly just don't want to do anything? Like, get a whole list of things that I'm supposed to get done today. By the way, welcome to the productive day in my life video. But yeah guys, I have a bunch of things to do today. I figured me vlogging it would also be a motivating factor. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh. Guys, I don't like it when I don't see my hair in the terrible condition. Yeah. Anyway, let's get the day started. Nothing like the sun rising over the trees. Not gonna lie guys, I'm already feeling so much more energized just from washing my face, brushing my teeth, spreading my bed. You know, just getting up and doing stuff. And I don't usually do this stuff right away. Yeah, it's working out. So now I'm gonna change out of this fit, the sleepwear fit. So, ta-da, magic. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I usually like check my phone right as I got up. I kinda held out on doing that this morning though. I'm gonna like just check my phone, see if any messages came in from me last night. For some reason the Wi-Fi on the phone stopped working. Can somebody like tell me why? I think it's a hardware issue. Based on my research, Apple doesn't offer support for that issue. Wi-Fi doesn't work, Bluetooth doesn't work. Any kind of comms communication, what? So weird. I think it has to do with like the damage to Wi-Fi antennas. Guys, y'all need to follow my Shamar Shots account. Guys, what are you waiting on? Follow the Shamar Shots account, guys. It's some fire pictures being posted. I gotta post like one other picture on that account later. So I'm gonna do this now. It's my planner. Just gonna check what I have to do today. Today is November 1st. October just starting now guys, and I already done. Can't bother. Alright, so basically like some people to text, some minimal things to do, finalize on a couple things. I have class at 3 o'clock. But right now I need to sweep my room. Oh, and then like breakfast. Because yeah, I'm kinda hungry already. After I already sweep up everything, I got it.
A few minutes later.
Breakfast time. So what's on the menu today? It's a Monday morning. Look at it's ready to fall. Don't bother. So then this is it, just like an egg sandwich. Oh, I have cheese in there, so I'll probably put that in there too. I don't know, I have like this white cheese, which I don't usually use on my stuff. I'm gonna give it a try today because I've seen Alicia use it before. Let's get cooking. Even got the teeth inside. But yeah, as I use the cheese, I think it turned out good. I don't know if you guys can see, but there it is. It's like there on the inside. I'm not sure if it turned out good or even if it will taste good, but I tried it once, but it was by a different chef. And I have the bologna and you know, the franks. Usually I'd get plantain in there, but I guess it's not plantain time. I haven't really been seeing any plantain, so yeah, I'ma dive in. It wasn't good. Basically the cheese felt like it was overbearing. The cheese was overbearing and it never really did help because the cheese did taste kind of weird. I guess I just don't like the taste of that specific white cheddar. I'll just leave it up to Alicia and her family to get it right because not trying it again. I didn't even finish it. So now I'm just gonna drink this tea. Alright guys, so I kinda got some things sorted out. Later at about 8 o'clock I have a lecture to watch. Me and Alicia usually watch it together because we do the same course. Right now I'm gonna draft up a study timetable. Final exams are in December. So crazy because we just done the mid-semesters. literally just done the mid-semester. It's not even like a good week later. I used to say, need to start planning for that and preparing for that. Guys, look how much tabs I have open. No, wait. Bruh. I know that I'm not the worst one. So I wanna have like 100 tabs open. I wanna do that. No way I'm working with that many tabs open. Come on now. Got more. Here we go. And I think I have some homework to do now. Until Monday. Oh shoot, I have until Thursday. I'll give you guys a glimpse of it when it's done, if I can finish the whole thing.
1 hour later.
Okay, I think I think I'm done. What time is it now? It's almost 9 o'clock. I think I'm gonna go outside, take a little breather. So what outside is giving, you know. Guys, say hello to my birds. Bingo is doing okay, you know. Bingo is just bingo. If only it would focus, yeah, if only it would focus. Guys, did you know, once upon a time in my life, aka like a couple weeks ago, I started a liquor farm. A very ambitious thing to do here in town. At my liquor farm, I plant a bunch of tomato in this. Right now, just this one piece of tomato left because slugs ate every single tomato in this. Same thing with the pak choy them. We plant some pak choy, so the whole of them get yam off. But I try to grow broccoli in this, but you know, the broccoli them just never, in fact they're tough. The broccoli them never there work out. Those were the last things to get eaten off, but they weren't really growing very well anyways. My plan for dig up the dirt over here and basically replant them all, but I have to come up with a plan to combat the pest. I don't know how many of you guys really like know what's good for that type of thing, like to combat pests like slugs and stuff, to prevent them from eating the stuff. So if you guys know, DM me please. I read about the bear one, the bear trick. So like if you put bear out, them gotta go in there. So if you guys know any other tricks, prevention tips, whatever you call them, let me know please, because I'm just trying to be a farmer boy, and these damn pests, they're not having it. They're not making me be my true farmer boy self. Hey yo, a Beijing, get out of the plant, Laura Bonaro. So yeah, this is what outside is given what should be given. Okay guys, so it's time to be real. Okay, ready? So y'all remember how I said I was gonna like make the post? Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm gonna be posting this and two others. Gosh, this is such a pretty picture, man. Shout out to Leona. Guys, sometimes it takes me a whole hour to come up with this caption, but I have an idea. I'm gonna use the leaves emoji and just call it simplicity, because that's what comes to mind when I see the photo. Okay, trying to put in the hashtags. Thankfully I copied and pasted. I copied and pasted them, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna add a couple more. I'm gonna add like mountains, hashtag blue mountains. I think this works. Now I'm gonna add the tag for Leona. I really like these pictures. I love the colors. The colors are really what is me edit them, obviously. So yeah, I'm in love with the colors. Woo! Alright, it's up guys, it's up. And that's the final installment of the Leona series.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, right now I'm gonna... How many times in this video have I like gotten up from that exact seat? Anyways, we're gonna tackle something big right now. My wardrobe. Oh my gosh. Yeah, seems about right. I have to organize in here. In here's a mess. It is a mess. Look at all these clothes on the ground. I have to hang them up on their hangers. Let me tell you guys, it's been weeks, literally weeks, since I've hung them up, and it's purely out of just laziness. It's something that I've been meaning to do. I decided to take it up on myself and just, you know, just finally do it, because I keep on putting them off. But I'll let you guys see the before and after. The before, this is the before, and after. Alright, look at that. This is the after, guys. Ooh, clear, fully clear, and all organized. My sweaters, my jackets, they're down there. Shirts and pants here, suits over there. Wow, this is like a mini closet tour. But yeah, this is all I have. Feeling pretty proud of myself, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, I'm feeling hungry, and it's not even 12 o'clock yet. It's like 11 o'clock. Because, you know, I didn't really eat all of the breakfast, so I'm gonna just make this burger. I'm gonna make the burger. I make it with this, make it with that bread, and sliced cheese in here. So yeah, that's for lunch, y'all. That is for lunch. Nice. Like, damn. Yes, guys, I eat on my bed sometimes. I have to watch a video while I'm eating, or else it just won't feel as fulfilling, you know. I found a video by Eric. Gonna watch it and eat this right now. So
today we're gonna be sneaking into the world's largest music festival. Bruh.
Oh my gosh. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna read that Carib Civilization book, because I have a book report due in 2 weeks and I have not read the book yet. But I'm going to start it today, and I'm gonna finish at least 3 chapters today. I'm gonna set up myself, get comfy, and hope I don't fall asleep, because last time I read a book I fell asleep. This book, don't know how many of you guys know it, but yeah, I have to read that book. So let's get into it. Yo, time lapse, go. Okay, guys, look at that. Look at your boy. Look at what I did. I'm gonna read off all 3 chapters as I said I would. I actually feel so proud of myself. After this much reading, I think I'm just gonna chill back. I'm just gonna chill, guys, until 3 o'clock, which is when my class starts. There we go, alright. And I have science mid tech. Today we're actually looking at health, which I guess I'm thinking I'm expecting to be an interesting class. Without them scientific class here go on, and any game can play, because they ain't easy, so it seems interesting. We'll see what going on. Well, it's done. What I can say about it? It was good. I've heard about him before, you know. I've heard about Richard Brown. So yeah, guys, nighttime pretty much dropped now. You remember earlier this morning when over there was like, you know, sun? Yeah. So I cannot get dark out now. Honestly, guys, I'm happy with how the day went. The day don't finish for me though. I have to watch the Carib Civilization lecture later. Start editing this video that you guys are watching, and eat dinner. Sometimes I'll be forgetting to eat dinner. So yeah, that's the plan for tonight, guys. Yeah. Guys, I'll show you a second feature. Say hi again. As if it's not glitchy. And I can't hear you anyways because you're in my ears. It's actually so much gymnastics to watch this lecture. Now to share screen, and yeah. So alright, guys, so that's what's up. When Alicia comes back and I'm gonna watch the video, then later on I'm gonna edit, so this video is soon finished. Guys, we just realized now, said this lecture is 1 hour and 44 minutes long. And these lectures supposed to be 1 hour long. What kind of stuff that? Alright guys, so we just finished the class after a whole hour and 45 minutes of sitting here. Alicia's there. Say hi. She said hi guys. Because the class ends so late, I'm not really gonna bother editing it. So I'm just gonna upload the footage onto the computer. And also I have to shower. Thank you guys for watching. My hair is a mess. But ignore that. It's been a mess the whole day. Thank you guys for watching. Shamar Crossfield. Oh yeah guys, I had this little list that I was working with throughout the day. Yeah, I'ma just cross off the things that I did, which is everything basically. But yeah, I was working with this.